cruisers and even more nearby. There doesn't seem to be anyone or anything here. It's a dead end. Gravity? Something must be generating gravity nearby. This must be some kind of spy facility. What have you done with my brother? Matt? Oh my gosh. Ever since the Kerberos mission, they said you were dead, but I knew in my heart that you weren't. The thought of you and Dad kept me going, inspired me to do the impossible.
Okay, but seriously, how'd you get this far into space?
It's a long story. Is there any chance you've heard of Voltron?
Of course I've heard of Voltron.
Well, I'm one of the Paladins.
That's so awesome!
What?
Stand back, Matt.
Huh?
Let's show this guy what the Holts are made of. Good thinking. Exposing that electric whip to the asteroid's magnetic field.
You're the one who recognized he was clearly using direct current and thought about completing the circuit.
Tesla!
I have the coolest little... You kept the glasses?
Of course I did.